So, time for another update on the new warehouse. Pretty much everything has been settled in and I'm ready to go back to work again. So just a quick tour. I have some of my Tamiya tools that are for sale in the shop here. Some scale production accessories, a lot of the Zero Paints colors, primers and other things. Some stuff over here, of course. The Hobby Zone cabinets that I keep in stock for the web shop. A lot of the kits and wheels from Aoshima, Tamiya, and also some bell kits, some display cases, and some more accessories from Scale Production. And here I have some Fujimi kits and also some of the Revell and BMX stuff. I upgraded my spray booth to a new setup from Bell Kits. These are readily available online and I will have links in the description down below. They are from various different brands, but it pretty much doesn't matter. I have my packing table for all the orders I get from the shop. Some of the boxes, some Tamiya paints and other random stuff down there. And I also just upgraded my workstation. I added a couple cabinets from Hobby Zone just to complete it a bit and close it more into a full film studio-ish thing. Got my new computer set up, some printers for the labels, and I have a pile of cardboard boxes and from my computer and some cabinets and other stuff. So once I get settled in a little bit more, the videos will be starting to roll out. I have just filmed a couple videos on unboxings of the upcoming projects. I will be uploading these not in chronological order, just some random videos just to fill it up, and then probably next week I will get back to building again.